Hello again, video time again, and today we're looking at this lovely Range Rover Vogue SE 3.6 TD V8, finished in the black with the black privacy glass and the factory fitted chrome kit. 20-inch alloys. Chrome sidebar. Very nice looking car. It's got the cream and black seats. Electrically operated. Nice and clean inside. Got seat heating for the rear seats as well, and the auxiliary socket there, power socket, all under there. Small scratch there. This is one or two little age-related marks, but nothing horrendous. Detachable tow bar. Got the electrics for that under there as well. The exhaust extensions. Split tailgate. Classic Range Rover. One up, one down tailgate. Dog guard, load area cover that folds away, massive boot area, and under there spare wheel, jack and tools, all present and correct. Will come with a new MOT. Very nice looking car. Let's just take a look inside. Two keys with it. It's also got the electric sunroof option. Controls there for door mirrors, electric windows, automatic lighting, steering wheel mounted controls, so the sat nav. Wait for that to boot up. Air conditioning, heated and cooled seats. Automatic transmission. That's your four-wheel drive and ride height selectors there. Electric parking brake. Nice low miles, 77,000 with a full service history. Cruise control. Heated steering wheel. Radio controls there. You have to fit the Bluetooth phone kit. There's the full before information, tell you what's going on. touch screen. There's a power socket there. Storage under there. Two glove boxes. CD changer in that one. And down there as well. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice Range Rover with a low mileage, well equipped, nice looking car, so will come with a new MOT. Superb to drive with the 3.6 TD V8, it's plenty of power. Ideal for towing or many other uses. Give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.